Aircraft emergency exits. Complete guide aircraft emergency exits are specially designed doors, windows, and hatches that allow passengers and crew to evacuate an aircraft quickly and safely during an emergency. These exits are strategically located throughout the aircraft to ensure everyone can leave the airplane within seconds if necessary. Modern commercial aircraft are certified to allow complete evacuation of all passengers within 90 seconds, even if only half of the available exits can be used. Types of aircraft emergency exits. Main passenger doors. These are the largest exits on an aircraft and are normally used for boarding and deplaning. Features. Equipped with inflatable evacuation slides located at the front, middle, and rear of the aircraft, operated by trained cabin crew, can be opened from both inside and outside. Overwing exits are emergency escape windows located above the wings. Features. Smaller than main doors, used during emergencies. Only passengers seated nearby may assist during evacuation. Lead directly onto the aircraft wing tail. Cone exit. Some aircraft models have emergency exits at the rear fuselage. Features. Located in the tail section, provides an additional evacuation route common on certain regional and older aircraft designs. Cockpit escape windows. Pilots have dedicated emergency escape windows in the flight deck. Features. Allow crew evacuation if cockpit doors become blocked. Designed for rapid emergency escape. Found on most commercial aircraft emergency exit components. Exit door, the primary structure used for evacuation. Viewing window allows crew members to check outside conditions before opening the exit. Operating handle, used to unlock and open the emergency exit. Evacuation slide, inflatable slide that deploys automatically when an armed exit is opened. Emergency lighting, guides passengers toward exits during low visibility situations. Emergency exit markings. Emergency exits are clearly identified by illuminated exit signs, floor path lighting, directional arrows, safety instruction, placards, passenger safety cards. These markings help passengers locate the nearest exit during an emergency. Exit row passengers. Passengers seated in emergency exit rows have additional responsibilities. Requirements usually include being physically capable of assisting, understanding crew instructions, being at least the minimum required age, not traveling with infants or requiring assistance themselves. Cabin crew provide a briefing before departure to ensure these passengers can help if needed. Aircraft evacuation process. Emergency situation occurs. Aircraft comes to a complete stop. Cabin crew assess outside conditions. Safe exits are opened. Evacuation slides deploy automatically. Passengers leave belongings behind. Crew direct passengers to the nearest usable exit. Everyone moves to a safe distance from the aircraft. Safety tips for passengers. Count the rows between your seat and the nearest exit. Read the safety card before takeoff. Listen carefully to the cabin crew briefing. Leave all carry-on baggage behind during evacuation. Follow crew instructions immediately. Use the nearest available exit, not necessarily the one you boarded through. Why aircraft emergency exits are important. Aircraft emergency exits are a critical safety feature that enables rapid evacuation during emergencies such as fires, smoke, rejected takeoffs, or emergency landings. Their design, location, and operation are carefully regulated to maximize passenger safety and help ensure everyone can leave the aircraft quickly when every second matters. Aircraft emergency exits are among the most important safety systems on any airplane. From main cabin doors and overwing exits to evacuation slides and emergency lighting, every component is designed to provide a fast and safe escape route. Understanding how these exits work can help passengers be better prepared and contribute to a safer flying experience. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your aviation knowledge and pilot training skills, download the Pilot Training app from the Google Play Store. The app link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation content.